Hello everyone, welcome to Glorious Home Tuition. Today we will see class 10 important topic mensuration and we will deal one very important question for mensuration. So the question is if the radius of the base of the right circular cylinder is halved, keeping the height the same, then the ratio of the volume of the cylinder thus obtained to the volume of the original cylinder is. So basically, question becomes very tough and important when the concept of ratio comes in it. So we will see how can we deal with such question in a very simple form. So the use formula in the above question is volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h. You can see over here, the right side, pi r square h. This is the used formula in our above question. So first of all, what are the things we have to deal is the radius and the height. So let us assume something first of all. So let the radius be. So the assumed radius be small r and the height of the cylinder be h as normal. You can assume anything, whatever you want. So according to the formula, what is the volume of the cylinder? So volume of the original cylinder. Original cylinder means the volume of the cylinder with radius r and height h. So the volume of the original cylinder is again same, that is pi r square h. So this is our original volume of a cylinder, which is pi r square h. Now, according to the question above, what could you see is in the second case, what happening? If the radius of the base of the right circular cylinder is halved, so what is happening? The radius is becoming half of the original radius. So what was the original radius? It was r. It was r. So according to question, the new radius is half of the original. So it's r by 2. Okay. And keeping the height same, that means in this, the new height will be same as the earlier one. So new height is same as the earlier height, which was earlier height was h only. So it will be h because nothing happened with the height. So now here we need to find again the volume of the new cylinder. So volume of the new cylinder. Very simple. Again, we will put the value in the above figure itself. So pi will remain the constant since it's a constant value pi. Now radius. What is the radius here? It's r by 2, not r. It's r by 2. This is our new radius because it is halved in our second case. So pi r square by 2 per power 2 and height remains the same. Why? Because nothing happened with the height. So what was the question? The question was to ratio. The question was to ratio of the volume of the obtained to the original. So at the last, what we conclude? The ratio of the obtained to the original. So we will go with the volume of the original, volume of the obtained. So volume of the new cylinder to the ratio of volume of the original cylinder. Original cylinder. Very simple now. We all know the values. What are the values here? So what are the values? What is the volume of the new cylinder? It's pi r square by 2 means r square, r square by 4, and h is again constant, same it is, nothing changes with the h. 2 ratio means we need to find divide to the volume of the original. So what was the original? Original was pi, again r square, because radius original was r, and height again constant. It acts as a constant because nothing happened with the height. So we will cancel out the things which we can. So like pi to the pi is cancelled, h to the h is cancelled, and r square to the r square is again cancelled. So what is the obtained ratio? Can you tell me what is obtained ratio? Yeah, it's very simple. It's 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4. Hence, our required ratio. Hence, our required ratio. Hence, sorry. Hence, our required ratio is what it is, 1 is to 4. Thus, this is the answer. So this was a very simple and very important question from an exam point of view, because in mensuration questions may come for according to the ratio and proportion as well. So I hope you liked the video. So keep learning and thank you.